So you're thinking of taking your toddler to Disney World. Bold. Financially aggressive, but bold. Hello everybody, and welcome back to your Delaware Disney People. So you're about to spend thousands of dollars to stand in the heat with a toddler who was upset because their banana cut in half. And yet somehow you're in the most magical place on earth. So today we're going to answer the real question. Is Disney World actually worth it with toddlers? Or are we all just victims of mouse-shaped snacks? Let's just start by ripping the Band-Aid off. Disney with toddlers is not a vacation. It is a field trip that you paid for. Heavily. You are still packing snacks, negotiating emotional breakdowns, and carrying a 30-pound human who feels like 85 pounds. The only difference is now you're doing it with Mickey Mouse watching. So first, let's talk about the magic, because all joking aside, it is actually there. Sort of, if you can find it. First, it is in their reactions. When your toddler sees a character that they recognize, game over. Pure joy. Like, I have mastered the art of parenting. Pure joy. You will find yourself standing there saying, I just spent $6,000 on this moment. And it's totally worth it. So the second part of the magic I want to touch on is the rides. First of all, let's be blunt. Your toddler does not care about thrill rides. Give them a slow-moving boat with bright colors and a song that is sure to haunt your dreams. And they will be thinking, this is the greatest experience of my life. Meanwhile, you're on your 4th consecutive ride on It's a Small World saying, I've heard this song 37 consecutive times. I will never recover. You might recover, remains to be seen. The third part of the magic is actually pretty sensational in that nobody bothers you. Well, as much. So your toddler's melting down? Cool. Breaking news. So is everybody else's. Just think about it. Disney is the only place on Earth where you can have a full public tantrum in the middle of a crowd and everyone just looks and we're like, yep, that checks out. You have to look at it as you are not alone. Just think of Disney as an extended support group. And the last part of the magic that is there is in the little moments. Let's be clear. The best part about Disney for toddlers is not the rides. It's just sitting on a curb, eating a snack. It's the random dance that they do on Main Street with a bubble wand. And it's just letting your kid run wild for 3 consecutive minutes while you are questioning your life choices. That right there, that is the magic. And well, of course, while there is plenty of magic, welcome to Disney with toddlers, there is also plenty of chaos. Let's talk about the reality. First and foremost, it is exhausting. You will walk a lot, arguably too much. As in, why didn't I train for this months ago? Levels of walking. You will hit at least 10,000 steps by noon, carrying a backpack, pushing a stroller, and carrying what is left of your dignity. And of course, with chaos comes the meltdowns. Let's paint a picture. You have just waited 45 minutes to get on a ride. You're now next in line, and your toddler now decides to scream as if they have been personally betrayed. There is no logic. There is no reasoning. There is only survival. And of course, with chaos, nap times. the strategy game. Nap times at home? Piece of cake, mostly. Nap times at Disney. Navy SEAL operation. You will be calculating stroller angle, noise levels, and shade coverage. All while whispering, "Please sleep, please." And of course, we cannot talk about Disney without talking about the cost. Because at some point in time, you will think, this toddler doesn't even like chicken nuggets anymore. Why did I bring them to Disney? Literally, everything costs more. Snacks? Expensive. Drinks? Expensive. I'm pretty sure it costs $12 to take a breath near Cinderella Castle. And yet, somehow, in the midst of all the chaos, here's the part that gets you. First of all, the moments do hit different. Your toddler will laugh. They will light up when they experience something for the very first time. And suddenly, you look up and say, wow, this is why we do this. And even if they won't remember that moment, I promise you will. You will also find yourself slowing down because you're in Disney with a toddler. You literally have no choice. You can't rush Disney with toddlers. You could try it once. They will inevitably shut it down. So you will find yourself sitting more, watching more, and actually being present. And weirdly, it's actually better. On top of everything else, it will also change how you see Disney. Before kids, you might have been saying, let's hit up every ride. After kids, you will find yourself saying things like, wow, look at them chasing bubbles. And somehow, that's enough. But most importantly, these trips do become a part of your story. They will become the stories that you tell your friends and your family forever. You'll be saying things like, do you remember the time they cried because the ice cream was cold? It's a real thing. That can happen. But let's be honest, there's also plenty of times where taking a toddler to Disney is not worth it. If you want to relax on vacation, no. Just no. Disney with toddlers is not relaxing. It is endurance. It will not be worth it if your kid hates chaos. It is loud. It is crowded. It is overly stimulating. Some kids may thrive in that atmosphere. Others, not so much. And if you plan on doing absolutely everything, you won't. It is physically impossible. And even trying to do that will break you. So, with all of that being said, we go back to the original question. Is Disney worth it with toddlers? Yes, but not in the ways you would think. It is certainly not perfect, not at all relaxing, and it will not be efficient. But it will be funny, it will be chaotic, it will be emotional, and in a way, it will also be kind of magical. So if you're planning an upcoming Disney trip with your toddlers, please hit that like button and subscribe, turn on notifications so you can get notified of all future content. We have all kinds of different videos coming out featuring things like different things to make sure you pack, ways to save money, best resorts, restaurants, you name it, we're going to talk about it. So again, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these future videos. I certainly hope you guys have learned something today. Please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you've taken your toddlers to Disney World, tell us what you learned, what you liked, what you disliked. What were your experiences? We certainly love hearing from each and every one of you. In the meantime, guys, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.